How to change your PC screen size or a resolution in your Windows 11. So I will show the perfect process. So let me start with the video. First we need to go in settings, come to the search bar in window and search for settings. Now here we need to go in display, system, come to the system, and here we need to go in display. Under the display you can see display resolutions, orientation, and this is a multiple display option, okay, and the scale, okay. So make sure it is recommended percentage, which is 100%. It is like this 1920 1080 for display resolutions. And display orientation, make sure it is landscape only, okay. It depends on your monitor, so make it for my it is landscape is perfect, so just select that, okay. And here we have some advanced display. Here automatically manage color for app, you can enable it, it is advanced, okay. If you want to make change only scale or resolution, you can make sure it is recommended, select it, okay. So that is how you can change your screen size or resolution in Windows 11. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.